Hi, hi, Neha. Welcome to the Times.
How are you? Hi. I was trying to go live for such a long time, but I'm so challenged when it comes to tech. Did I interrupt? Very stimulating that you guys were talking about, or is it okay?
No, it's all okay. You will
Rahul
never,
Khan, hi
never.
man.
Okay, I've sent the request to Rukmini also, but let's see when she can join in.
Don't
But
send her
congratulations
don't send her a
for
request. Give her an order, she'll be here.
तो आप दोनों इतने टफ रोल में है ना कि that personalities also such वो थोड़ा scared थी क्या रुक्मिणी all this while.
These strong personalities don't scare people, by the way. So she should not be scared if you're really strong.
मूवी में तो मतलब जितना जबरदस्त रोल वितल का है उससे ज्यादा नेहा की एंट्री मतलब
There was a code word that Kanishk and me had for the entire film, and I'll just leave everybody guessing. It starts with K. And it's mentioned in the first scene where I come in. But if you're talking about entries, I felt like with every scene Vidyut had an entry in the film. Like I was just like, ab kya karega, ab kya karega. I just wanted to ask you, Vidyut, I didn't ask you in person because I hadn't seen the action then. Like all that,
All that?
the front rolls, the back rolls, the flips, the everything is you.
Everything and more is me.
तो रुक्मिणी my question to you was आप का पहला बॉलीवुड डेब्यू है और इतना बॉलीवुड मसाला एकदम हार्डकोर एक्शन पैक्ड मूवी एंड नेहा एंड विद्युत ऑन द सेट्स मतलब how was the experience?
It was damn good. Yeah, it was incredible. Actually, I met a lot of good people. Neha, Vidyut, Chandan, who I know for very long, and of course Kanishk and everybody. I had a very warm welcome on set, and it has been fantastic. You have to work in a different city with a completely different team, a completely different environment, and you get to learn so many things. You learn how they, kind of perform, and to watch them on set is also incredible. And I think Neha and I, we've had some conversations on set. We were talking about her, about her daughter, and now she has another child. So it's like, ek saal mein Sanak also delivered, and so has Neha. But yeah, it's been a joke, so it's been a great experience. It's been very good.
Yeah, so since we're talking about the new member in the house, so Neha, how it's been being mother for the second time? You said that it's now very, you have to rush up, you have to speed up double. So how is it? How you coping?
I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's not easy, but then it's a lot of fun. You know what you're getting into. You have 9 months of prep, and also because you have another baby, the plus is you know exactly what the beats are. But the thing is, it gets twice as more demanding. But yeah, it's a lot of sleepless nights and very exciting times. And sometimes you're like pulling your hair apart. Like if you ever caught me unaware, I actually spoke in the morning. He was really sweet. He was trying to say something, and halfway through, my child was crying because he needed a feed, and he was like, "Okay, go, 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 go." That's what happened. Apart from that, it's just lots of time management, but we kind of figure it out. Yeah, so very, very, it's a bit demanding, and we're trying to find our balance, but ho jayega jaldi.
So Neha, Sanak rahi hai? Are you just...
Yeah, my son will be happening in the middle of the night because I have to get up every
in the middle of the night.
Baby boy,
Yeah.
but that's fine, like it's not
Worth it.
It's not, when you see there's nothing else in the world. Like I'm not good with my sleep. I'm not as disciplined as Vidyut probably is. He wakes up at like 4:30 in the morning to start training. But now once you have kids, the minute you hear their voice, you're like, okay, then you wake up and I go back to sleep. I hate early mornings. So I don't know. I want to ask Vidyut this. Vidyut, what time do you get up to start training?
No, like I don't train like that. I set targets for myself. So if I've decided to do about 500 push-ups the next day, I don't like do it at 6 a.m., 10, 12 in the afternoon. I just make sure whenever I do, I finish it off. So I normally achieve targets. I don't like make goals in the air.
500 push-ups.
No, it's an example. If I want to like...
I can't do one.
let's just all back off and be on mute after this because he said just 500 push-ups. That's the hashtag.
Yeah.
No. I was just saying, like, in case that's an example, if I have to do 500 push-ups. So like.
So, Vidit, what is your fitness routine actually like?
It's the sum total of
Please.
everyone. Like, we live in a building block and combine both the buildings and all the people who work out in this building, वो भी रोज के मिला के 500 पुशअप नहीं करेंगे.
Vidyut kabhi nahi bolta hai. He never tells you what is his fitness secret. Now I need to know. Vidyut, you have to answer this.
It's
Tell
called
us.
hard. It's called hard work.
मूवी में आपने
हमें
बोला
भी
है
पता है।
that मुझे मूवी में बोला मुझे 10 साल लगे, but you please tell us, कुछ तो बताओ आपकी how is your fitness routine like?
You know, it's not as important how is my fitness routine for me. You know, I think what's really important is that we need to know what we really want. Simple. I want to lose weight. I want to have like this big a shoulders. Like, you need to know what you want. Once you know what you want, then you'll figure out how to get there. People just keep looking for suggestions and advice. Like, what do I do? How do I become like you? They need to figure out what they need to do. Once they figure it out, they'll find the way. So I think that's important.
See, why?
So I want to be agile and look like Vidyut Jamal's body. So tell me. Tell us.
I think stop using your brain so much. Shut it down for a while. Agility will be following you very soon. So you're using it too much. Too many strings being pulled.
This is excess thought. I want to go back to my prenatal body, which I had before 2 years. That's what I want right now.
You know what? Rather than that, what you should really want is to be really happy in the body that you are in right now. I think that will make you more happy.
I always believe. I cannot agree with him more on this.
Neha is like a role model for this thought. I mean, लोग तो मुझे actually में there are so many comments we get on everyday basis on your pictures and all. Actually, there was a comment which said कि नेहा आप क्या खाते हो? मतलब you're so bold, you're so comfortable in your skin, you're always, you know, you have this guts to stand up for things that people generally don't talk about. There was like, आप क्या खाते हो?
ऐसे मैं काफी कुछ खा लेती हूँ, which shows in my body, but I'm just saying that if you talk, I just feel that what Vidyut said is absolutely right. You need to know what you want to achieve out of your body. B, you need to like stop overthinking it. Everything he said are beats of body positivity, and that can come with an 8-pack, and that can come with someone like me who's going
Family
through,
pack.
you know, who has a postpartum body right now and everything. Like, I feel like, you know, it's just there was someone in me and it's been sucked out and I'm just left like a bag and nothing else, but still you just have to be happy. Like, I feel so good because I feel like my body is able enough, more than anything else, it's able enough to give life. Like, it doesn't get bigger and better than that. And I speak for all mothers, all women, everyone out there. There's no need to like put yourself through this. And exactly the words he said, like, don't overthink it. Like, agility, fitness, positivity, everything comes from here more than anything else.
Oh dear Lord, listen, I'm a complete Bengali and I love my rice and I love my aloo and I love my mutton and my fish and I actually eat like a glutton and apparently, surprisingly, I actually got into fitness. It's been 2 months after I got tested with COVID in Mumbai. So I was hospitalized for about 10 days. And then when I got back, I realized that it was very difficult for me to even lift something off the floor. And you hear about, you know, those post-COVID syndromes. And I really suffered from that for 3 months. And unfortunately, there was a lockdown. And thereafter, I started working out. And believe you me, I've heard so many people say that it wasn't to get into a certain shape or a certain body type. It's never been that way for me. Yes, I have a blessed metabolism that I do. But having said that, I realized the importance of fitness, you know, to be able to take the stairs, to be able to walk around, to be able to lift things. That itself felt so good. You know, I've heard, like, once I started working out, I heard so many things, yeah, muscle strengthening, core, blah, blah, blah. मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है ये सब, हाँ? All these fancy words, I'm an illiterate, I'm a gym illiterate or a workout illiterate. But then, after that entire 45-minute cycle, the way I feel, it's amazing. And I really look forward to going back and getting fit, actually. So that is and rest, I eat whatever I want. I eat my chocolates, I eat my junk, I eat my rice, my bhat, everything. So yeah, that's my fitness regime.
So basically, to sum it up, before we get started there, I've been one of Neha, and I've said it to Neha that she's been my favorite Miss India forever. And I had said it to her earlier also. And you know, one of the things that, like you asked her, how does she always look nice? I've known her for a very long time. I think, you know, the secret is, apart from great genetics, she's genuinely a happy person. Everything that you see is a reflection. That niceness, that happiness that she exhibits every time is what you really see. It has nothing to do with what's your regime. I really mean it. This is my observation. And going back to our very super stunning girl, this is so Miss India answer. Please say the truth. I never go to the gym. I'm a Bengali. I eat every
But
day.
listen,
And
this
you know,
is
I don't train. Come on, girl. Like,
cliches are
Miss India.
cliches for a reason.
Stop it. I
Because
never
they
wanted
are
to
back.
become an actress because my mom filled up the form of Miss India and I
She did not.
Stop it. No, this is for every girl. Be proud.
You know, Rupini, a lot of people will start eating chocolates because you said this.
Yeah,
because they'll think,
But listen, okay. Vidyut's team, Vidyut's hair and makeup, Kin and Santa were asking. They were asking my team, what is she eating? What is she doing? And all of those things. And my makeup artist would tell her, listen, she has this peanut butter cup. She's eating that. She's eating chocolate. She's eating. I do that. It is the truth. I cannot tell a lie. You ask anyone here. You do your. I'm going for the past 2 months. Abhi to der mahina, of course I haven't. But yeah.
That's it.
But it's true. It's true.
इन बच्चों को बताओ यार ये क्या हो क्या रहा है?
I know. मैं तो उसी जगह रुक गई थी when she said I eat all this and I'm blessed with good. वहाँ पे अंदर से मेरे को इतना गुस्सा चल रहा था. I eat these people.
My friends say the same about me.
लड्डू come to our house ना वो बोल रहे नहीं लड्डू खा लो वो गेस्ट लड्डू खाता है और चढ़ता मेरे पे है. So I have that kind
of.
Oh
लड्डू पे. Yeah.
No.
अभी तो दशमी हुआ. शुभ बीजा या Durga Puja got over. No, so we're like so much food and mithai.
I can see it. I can see the thing.
There is someone who's writing, Deepshika Chaudhary, that guess I witnessed Rukmini eats a lot.
Guys, somebody who eats a lot does not look like this. Have you seen her song? She looks amazing. Like I just have to say, both of them are really nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so since it's the Sanak team, मुझे please जानना है आप लोगों की life में क्या-क्या सनक है?
Who's going first?
Always Neha.
Okay, me. Sanak, what is a word? Na? I just feel like one is anger and one is like a little bee in your bonnet, like your son. What drives you crazy? So which one are you talking about? If you can clarify your question, then he'll answer it.
That drives you crazy.
Okay, then there are many things. Matlab ki for me, when I walk into a room and if they're like paintings and they're slightly teda, like the person who owns it cannot see it, and I cannot tell you. Like I just keep looking, like I want to twitch. Like my hands are twitching now. Also, I want to look at, or like my own bed or bed cover. I can see it. Like this is the bed and this is the wardrobe, and I can see it. वो bed में जब वो fold करती है और एक और fold आ जाता है ना, जो सीधा नहीं होता. Like those are the things that drive me crazy. And the third, actually, it's topmost is incompetence.
So you know, for me, I think Sanak is kuch karna hai yaar. The passion to do something. When I came to this city, there was a passion that I had, that Sanak to do something different. I think that's the Sanak I have. I do everything with a great Sanak. I don't see it as a positive or negative. I just see it as crazy, passionate, ambitious. उसका जुनून चढ़ जाए सनक का तो यार आप कुछ भी पा सकते हैं.
तो मतलब एक्चुअली में जैसे मूवी में दिखाया है वैसे ही. Okay, and Rukmini, आपका what's your Sanak?
Okay, Sanak, I keep saying this. It's energy, whichever way you take it. So if I say कि Sanak में जहाँ पे एकदम my mind, I just lose it. It's like if somebody lies to me. I do not like that. Once I find out, I really can't contain myself. Like it gets very difficult. So मेरी बहुत सनक जाती है अगर कोई मुझसे झूठ बोले. So that is one. And अगर सनक, if I take it in a very positive stride, I would say for me it is to मेरी एक सनक है that I want to commit to everything that I do, like 100%, maybe like 200%. So whatever I do, I keep saying this word Vidit quite likes actually, shiddat se. So puri shiddat se, and with 100% commitment. Like I have to give my everything to that very moment. that I'm in. So these are my two kinds of Sanak. And yes, I am very sunky about food, and it is the truth and the gospel truth. So yeah.
After
So
Rukmini's
these are my
hit
Sanaks.
answers, let's hear from Neha.
Then I should be one now. अभी मैं इसके बाद जाती हूँ यार. I have to fill the form. मम्मी नहीं, मैं खुद ही fill कर लेती हूँ. I think I'm apt. I'm winning this.
Tell me your most memorable moment from the set. कभी ऐसा हुआ है विद्युत नेहा ने मिलकर आपको बुली किया हो या कुछ प्रैंक किया हो? Who's
No,
more naughty?
Vidyut's not the bully. Vidyut's not the bully on set. Vidyut's. नहीं यार, हम लोग प्रैंक्स नहीं, हम लोग काम करते हैं सेट पे. We go to work. Nobody comes on set with an intention कि we have to prank this one. This is my agenda of the day. But no, not bullying and all. But I think we have what was fun. I think every day was a different kind of a day. I remember मुझे बहुत मजा आया doing like whatever little action I've done, and I had a lot of fun where I had to pin down Vidyut. You know, that's my opening shot of the film. Oops, sorry, spoiler. But yeah, but I had a lot of fun. I remember there's a very lovely moment where you know, we were all sitting on the beach and I was playing some Bangla music and the entire set just stopped. It's from my other film which is about to release, and everybody just stopped to listen to that music, and we were enjoying that. We were very much present in that moment. So I think that is a very beautiful memory which I kind of carried back home with me. So yeah, on a firelit night, Bangla music,
She
wind in the
she
air, Vidyut
she
Jamwal.
just promoted another movie on the same platform.
Hashtag Kishmish.
Neha, we were talking about the memorable moments on the sets. If you have had any, कुछ मजेदार, कुछ adventures, anything that you remember.
Yeah, it was very tough for me because I was coming back to work after almost 2 years, because 1 year I didn't work in the middle on film. Like I was working on like other stuff, like, you know, other TV shows and, you know, my own stuff and advertising work and all you can do. And lockdown happened. And then soon after that, I signed Sanak. So I was like, let's go back to, you know, my first day of work. Literally, you know, I kind of... it's told Kanish that, listen, I'm feeling extremely rusty right now, but what is my first scene? And he gave me this long scene when I'm giving instructions, ye aise karna hai, ye aise karna hai, ye aise karna hai, and all that kind of stuff. And it was about 2.5 pages long. And Kanish was like, are you ready? So I was like, yeah, I'm ready, because I thought initially we'll take it by bit. And I don't know what happened to me. Like I couldn't get myself to like... And we were shooting in this van, so I just couldn't get myself to crack the scene. Finally, kaise na kaise karke, we cut, and we did the whole thing. And then I was like, okay, now let me go have lunch. In the meanwhile, the AD comes back. Cut karke kar liya. I said, हाँ भाई वो scene तो हो गया ना, निकल गया पहाड़. So he's like, नहीं, अब आप lunch के बाद फिर आ जाओ, अब वो फिर एक shot में लेगा. I was like, इसको क्या हो गया? जान लेके रहेगा, you know. And for me, I feel like, and the other thing was that my introduction, he's like, and then that was also just me coming back to work, and he told me that, no, like, go for it, you know, this guy's, you're a hard ass cop, and you just go and grab his privates. I'm like, no, I've come back to work after 2 years. I'm a mother. I'm married now, and you know, I don't do it. So he was like, no, but a gun, and we put like something, and I'm like, but it's my hand, and you know, I was freaking out doing this whole thing. But anyway, we cracked it, and he's like, just look really dead serious while you're doing it, and it's there in the film. And I had to be like, 2 seconds mein tere kaju phootne wale, and I'm just like, Ganesh, you can't be making me do this. I've come back after 2 years to work, not to do this one shot on the first day. But you know what? The truth is that you just, A, they become fantastic memories. B, you get past it immediately. And C, and most importantly, that's what you do, right? I mean, it's real life, and you know, you just get back. It's like knowing how to drive.
So अभी कुछ दिन पहले आपका एक पिक्चर वायरल हुआ था ताजमहल के आसपास, and नेहा ने वो almost on her story डाल के, she's like, would you like to talk about it together now, since you guys are sharing the screen here live?
So there are two sides to the story. Neha will tell you the first side.
The first side was I just got excited because I know Nandi really well, and of course I know Vidyut for a really long time. We just worked together, and I was like, and I just say congratulations. So yeah, I think it was a very hasty move on social media from my side. But the truth is, it's love, it's pure, and it's meant to be. So yeah, I mean, I was just being a cheerleader in the stands. I just danced too early. That's all.
यार वो पिक्चर चाहिए थी तो लोगों को हटाना बहुत जरूरी था. उनको हटाते हटाते जब हम थे वहां पे तो बहुत लोगों ने तस्वीरें खींच ली थी. So the picture that was out was really from some of the people there, and I didn't announce it because I had lost a friend and I lost him. So I thought थोड़ा time लूँगा. तब तक नेहा ने तो congratulate कर ही दिया था और तब तक so it was amazing. Like some things are meant to be. जिस दिन होता है उसी दिन हो गया. Neha was the messenger of like truth. And then I waited for a while and then I officially announced it because I wanted some days off after my friend's death. Yeah.
All right. So there are a few questions. There were actually hundreds of questions, but there is just one question that I'm going to pick is Vidyut sir, आपका YouTube video कब आएगा? कुछ नया देखना है. Some Vipul the Wisp Man asking you that.
हाँ यार, मैंने लास्ट हीलिंग सेशन मेरे ख्याल से 2 महीने पहले किया था, वो लोड नहीं किया अभी. और मैं सनक की खुदा हाफिज की शूटिंग में बहुत बिजी था यार. सो आई हैवंट बीन डूइंग एनी हीलिंग सेशंस. आई थिंक द फर्स्ट ब्रेक आई विल गेट मैं शुरू करूंगा and I'll be uploading them.
And there's another fun Pazi asking you to do more movies with action stunts, basically action stunts wala movie with Tiger.
करनी चाहिए. It's a great it should happen because the best should always get together. It's always important.
So मुझे एक बंदा यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है the beast that नेहा आपको रोडीज में सबसे ज्यादा क्या करने में मजा आया था?
I think the travel and then meeting all these contestants, and I feel like when jab aap roadies pe hote, it's like a school trip, and also it's like just adventure. It's fun. For a month you just get transported to like different parts of the country where it just feels like a bunch of friends just competing and playing games, and what do you get in return? Just the tag of being a roadie. It's just all that, it's just an adrenaline rush which you enjoy. I mean, I don't have that in any other form in my life, but this one I do.
वैसे रणविजय मेरा भी schoolmate है, common. He's 1 year junior to me and we both were in the same house.
Wait, you didn't go to... You went to which one? You went to Dakshai, na? He went to Dakshai, right?
Dakshai,
yeah. Yeah, and then he was in APS also, but for a very little time.
प्रीत सरन बोल रहा है हिंदी बोलो यार तुम लोग. उसको मजा आ रहा है इंग्लिश में बात करने.
मैं बोलने वाली विद्युत has been to every school. It's like that. वो यहाँ पे भी वहाँ पे भी.
ना मैं फौजी के.
हाँ जी वही.
इसी वजह से देख लेते हैं.
Every school, yeah. My dad's also Fauji, so all of us like to go from one place to another.
And there is somebody asking Rukmini, why are you wearing green?
Yeah, because itna vegetarian food I've eaten on the sets of Sanak thanks to Vipul Shah. So I'm endorsing green right now. So I'm like, please go vegetarian. I am not, but you just can. So hence.
Since we're talking about food, would you like to tell me about your favorite food that you love to cook also?
Cook? No, I don't. My father made me focus on Saraswati and Lakshmi. There has been no cooking happening. I can even burn water, but no, I can bake. So that is one thing. But I don't tell people that I can cook or I can bake because क्या होता है? The minute you say it ना, तभी सब बोलते हैं कि तो कब खिला रही हो, कब बना रही हो. मुझसे ना नहीं होगा. मैं अपने लिए नाइजेला लॉसन हूँ, उसके beyond किसी के लिए. When I want to make something, eat something, I'll make it. Otherwise, no.
Otherwise, what's your favorite dish?
What's my favorite dish? Oh, I love cakes. I love chocolate fudge cakes and all that. And khane mein, I love my Kolkata biryani. It comes with an aloo, which is the best in the world. So yeah.
Neha, your favorite food and something that you love to cook?
Listen, my skill set in the kitchen is also very questionable. I can barely cook. That's it. थोड़ा बहुत जो खाने में होता है, I can cook for her. And once you become a mom, you just have to know how to whip up a meal, no matter anything she says. And what do I like eating? मतलब घर का खाना यार. I don't eat बाहर का खाना that much. So whatever's made at home, the fussy eater in our house and who likes to spread all the time is Angad, because he has a really good appetite for good food. So between the 6 things he gets made, मेरा काम चल जाता है उन चीजों में, because he's like,
I like him already.
He likes but everything is made in a very healthy manner. So there's like, there's chicken and fish and vegetables and all of that. Everything is made according to what he wants, and then हम तो बस साइड में प्लेट भर लेते हैं अपनी.
No, there used to be this saying, there is this saying that a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And I've kind of altered that. I keep telling my mother that, ठीक है यार, in today's time, a way to a man's heart is through home delivery. संभाल लेंगे हम लोग कुछ. It's like sorted.
Yeah, but I think it's not through the heart. It should be through the man's card. So as long as his card is swiped, it's fine.
Wow, I like that one. So Vidyut, what's your guilty pleasure?
नहीं, पहले तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, आप जो तीनों ने बातें बोली मैं सहमत हूँ.
The way to a man's heart is through his card.
Because I've lost network.
No.
What did he say? Did he say सहमत हूँ कि सहमत नहीं हूँ?
सहमत हूँ. 3 लड़कियों के सामने मैं असहमत हो जाऊँ, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है.
वो बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम. Saying the right thing. At least he knows.
I'll make my own money, but he has to give me love. That's all I need. Bas.
Miss India 2021 goes to
22 भी मैं लूंगी, 23 भी मैं लूंगी, जितना दिन. I'll just keep going.
अभी बस इसके बाद just download the form and do it. But what do you like to eat? What's your guilty pleasure? And do you cook?
यार मैं कुक वगैरह तो नहीं करता हूँ, but मुझे मजे तो आते हैं. I'm not very fussy about food. मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. मतलब इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, तो कुछ भी खिला दो अच्छा लगता है. मुझे खाने से ज्यादा खाने के अलावा I can tell you what's my favorite kind of people. I like people who always have a smile. I like people who always are nice to people. I like people who are always kind to people. They are my favorite people. Food I
Vidyut, look here.
No, I'm colorblind. So I'm wearing red.
Mr. India.
Everybody's saying you're wearing green.
You Mr. India. But seriously, guys, thank you so much. Itna fun chat tha ye. We have exceeded the time, but I really don't feel like ending it. It was really fun to be with you all. Thank you for joining us.
Before I just want to say something. First of all, Rukmani Baba, thank you for being a part of Sanak. It's such an honor to be the leading man to you. It feels really, really nice. Thank you. And I just want to say to Neha, I watch you on Roadies, and you make me very proud. You represent women the way they are meant to be, strong. You don't behave like a boy amongst the men. I feel very proud to see a strong woman like you. There'll be a lot of opposition with somebody like you. Please just be the way you are. You represent the Indian divinity. Please be that. I'm very proud to know you. Really. And thank you, girl. You've been fun. We had a lot of fun with you. Thank you.
You're so kind.
Thank you, Vidyut, for the kindness, as always. Bye, Neha. Congratulations once again. So exciting.
Everybody who's watching us live right now, who hasn't watched Sanak as yet, you guys, you know exactly what to do. Pick up your TV remotes and then sit in front of your television and then just watch this guy do all the amazing things. Watch this gorgeous girl do, flaunt all her talent. And please go and watch our film Sanak. And yes, there's also one other very, very talented man who's missing, Chandan Roy Sanyal. Oof. I take my hat off to him. He's done such a great job in this and in many others. And Kanishk, Vipul, guys, this one's for all of us. Yeah. I mean,
all of us.
I hope this one does wonders.
Bye, guys. And I
Yeah.
just want to take 2 minutes to say hello to everybody. Sangeeta Sen, thank you, my love. Shubham, Dr. Shwet, Tolerance, Ambika, Pranay. Can you read names? Like they're fast, they're too fast. Mr. Ananda, thank you everybody for being here, यार. अच्छा लगता है आप लोग आते हैं, हम आप ही के लिए आते हैं. I love you, I love you, I love you. It's your choice, Neha. ये क्या है? It's your choice, Neha, यार. ये है क्या?
A lot of people have been saying that it's your choice.
Codis when I said it's a woman's choice, and then I was like, it's her choice.
Black
And
spaghetti
that
eye.
just where I got trolled senseless, but it's fine, guys. Yeah, it's not important anymore.
No, it is important, but like everybody's been saying this. I was like, hey, kya hai yaar ye?
Yeah, even I was wondering, मुझे लगा शायद they're saying about Rukmini's green color. It's her choice that she's wearing.
No. I was being overly concerned about something that I wanted to put out there. Really, you know, because I felt very strongly about it, and I took up for a girl, and I said,
I love you.
So that's what it is.
Sorry, I'm just busy. Girls, thank you everybody. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Right. Everyone watch Sanak. Bye. Bye. Have a good evening, everybody. Bye. Bye.
Bye.